see them. This is a bird. This is a bird. Look at the bird's beak. Is it long or short? Look at the bird's leg. Is it Are they long or short? The bird is stork? No, it is not a stork. What color is it? What color is the bird's beak? The bird is the bird is in the sky. The sky is blue. Can you see the cloud? They are white. What? Can you see the clock? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. It is very hot. The bird is very tired and very hot. It is looking for some water. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see a house and trees. Is that liver? It is liver in a water.
There's water.
There is water in a liver. No, it is not a liver. It is a road. The bird is very tired and very hot. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see the sea. Look at the sea. Look at the ships. There is water in the sea, but the bird cannot drink it. There is salt in the water. The bird is very tired and very hot. What can the bird see now? It can see a house. There is table near the house. The bird is going down. Now we can see the house. There is door and window. Near the water. Near the window. Is a window with a table. There is a glass on the table. Glass on the table. There is some water at the bottom of the glass. Near what leg of the table is bowl. It is dog's bowl. There no water in the bowl. Bye bye.